Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application, and your headphones should be turned on and connected to your phone. Then the application open for you headphones menu. And you have few options how to check your software version. The first one is to go to the settings, then scroll down, click at the more settings and device information. And right here we have firmware version line. Firmware version is the same as software, so this one your first option how to check it. The second one is to just go to the settings, and then you'll find firmware update line, and near to this line we have your current version, so this one your second option. The third one, when you switch to sound or settings lines, you will find at the left top this headphones icon. If you are in the status line, as you can see, we haven't this icon, but on sound and settings we have it. Click on it and it will show you device information, so right here we have firmware version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.